Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in email marketing, we'll discuss about the content and copywriting involved in email marketing campaigns. What is copywriting, content writing, how it works, why it is very important, what are the various tips that you can learn by writing effective copy or content for your emails. Now let's get started with it. What is email content? Email content and copy is at the heart of an email. That is at the core of the email. That is at the heart of your email. Email content is everything. Effective email content will actually create lot more customers, lot more conversions for you. And if your content is not good, if your content is not effective, if your content is not captivating, if your content is not compelling, then your business is doomed as far as email marketing campaign is concerned. Make sure that you spend a lot of time and effort in writing high quality content and copy for your emails. Everything boils down to effective content. Of course, everything boils down to the effective content. That is what people actually read in your email. When you send an email, make sure that you write high quality content, the content that is concise, that is precise, that is to the point, and actually tells the complete story of what you are actually intended to convey the message to your intended audience. It is very, very important that you write effective content. Copy should make or mar an email campaign. Of course, yes. An effective copy will help you in generating business. A copy that is not good will not be of any use for you. Your email content could make or mar your business. That is very important. The content is everything. Effective copy. What is an effective copy? Write compelling subject line. The first thing that we actually see when we receive an email, we see who has sent and what is the subject line. Make sure the subject line is very, very effective. Make sure that it is compelling. Make sure that it is persuasive. Put yourself in the customer's point of place. Put yourself in your subscriber's place and see what should be the subject line that you would most likely click and open the email. Think from the subscriber's point of view and make sure that you write a very, very good subject line. And above all, the most important thing as far as subject line is concerned is mention what is there in the email in the subject line. What you are providing in the email, the same information should be provided in the subject line. Don't ever mislead your customers. Don't write something else in the subject line to make sure that the user clicks on that. What is the content of your email? The subject line should talk only that particular thing. Actionable language, extremely important. We all write different emails. We write emails to personal emails, it could be professional emails, it could be business emails. When you write a business email in an email campaign, make sure that the content is actionable. Make sure that you are actually persuading, make sure you are cajoling your customers to take an action. The language has to be actionable oriented. It should be effectively personalization. Personalization is very important. Write your email in such a way that you are talking to your customers, you are talking to your potential customers, talking to your subscribers. Personalize the language. Like you are going to learn this, like you will benefit from this, like you will actually help you in writing a very good content. Clarity of thought. Don't make a long email, write short email, write bulleted points. Make sure that there is clarity in the thought. Convey the message very, very clearly to your customers. It's extremely important, clarity of thought. Second point, person writing, as we discussed, you, your, yours. Make sure that you write this language that is actually personalized and that is actually personalized and you are writing to the particular person. The CTA, the most important point, call to action. when you write an email, you convey the message, you tell a story, you write the complete content, there is clarity of thought, there is actionable language, you are personalized, and at the bottom, make sure that you give a call to action. Call to action has to be very, very effective. That is actually what takes the user to your blog, to your website, to your landing page. Make sure that the CTA is so effective that people click on that one, go and visit your website or blog. It is very important. So these are the few effective points that actually you can include and use in your email marketing campaigns. Tips for effective content. Keep it simple, make it simple. More often than not, what we see is people write high level language so that they can impress their customers, they can impress the subscribers. That is not going to work. Keep the language very simple at the elementary level so that everybody can understand. There are different people with different backgrounds, different educational qualifications, and make sure that you are actually addressing a global audience. You are not addressing a highly intellectual or highly qualified people. Write the language that everybody understands and make it simple. Use simple language that everybody can understand so that everybody can understand the kind of language that you are writing. Use colors which are very simple, very subtle, so that your email looks easy to understand, easy to read and appealing. Make information readable. The kind of font that you use, the kind of font size you use and the font colors. Make sure that the email is clearly visible for the users. Contact details. Provide the complete information to the users. That is very important. Make sure that you actually provide the details of who you are, what you are writing, what is your business, where your business located, the zip code and everything. Use social media links. In the signature, make sure that you use the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest links of your business pages and provide the links to those social media links. So these are the few effective content points that you can use and implement in your email campaigns. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what are email content, effective email copy and tips for writing effective content. Make sure that you follow the guidelines, make sure that you write effective content, the content that helps your users in increasing your conversion rates. The more the effective content, the more the conversion rate. The more the conversion rate, the more the customers, and the more the customers, the better your business. Make sure that you write very, very effective content so that your businesses generates revenue. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.